In China, the New Year's Eve dinner is a sumptuous meal prepared by the whole family. They get together to share both fine food and a happy reunion. Many dishes for the New Year's Eve dinner have long history and lucky meanings. One of them is 8 Treasure Rice Pudding. 8 Treasure Rice Pudding is based on glutinous rice, which is supplemented with red dates, lotus seeds, dried longans, and so on. The ingredients vary slightly from region to region, carrying good meanings all the same. For example, red dates are for having babies, lotus seeds for a happy marriage, and longans for family reunion. First, wash the glutinous rice. Add some water and cook it by steaming. Add a bit of salad oil and white sugar to the cooked rice and stir well. Stone the red dates and cut them in half. Shred the candied kumquats and divide the longan flesh into small portions. Rub some lard evenly inside a small round bowl. Then arrange the ingredients in a circle round the bottom. Lay the stirred rice gently over the ingredients. Place sweet red bean paste at the center and make the rice level with the edge of the bowl. Put the decorated rice back into the steamer and let the heat meld the ingredients. Meanwhile, cut the oranges into round slices and arrange them in a dish. Pour some water into a wok. Add white sugar and cornstarch slurry and mix these into a syrup. About 30 minutes later, take the rice out of the steamer. Turn the bowl upside down and empty the rice into the dish. Then dress it evenly with the syrup. The mouth-watering 8 Treasure Rice Pudding is done. Eating 8 Treasure Rice Pudding during the Spring Festival is customary in Jiangsu and Zhejiang. The taste of this soft, sweet and aromatic dessert is associated with the Chinese New Year.